I'm going to show you the process for replacing a D2 filter. Get your lift in place, hooked up to the lifting bar, disconnect the clamps. There should be a wire clamp in the back, which needs to be disconnected. It'll give you a little bit more room for the wires, so there's no need to unwire anything. Once everything's unclamped, raise the motor. The filter ring's probably going to move with it. You want to keep that down. Lift the motor enough so everything's clear. You should be able to spin the motor deck. So you have enough wire to clear everything. Then you want to have a bag or something ready for the dirty filter if you're replacing it 100%. And pull the entire assembly out. Place in whatever you're using. Work your filter off. You can save these. You want to pull them all out, clean them all off so there's no dirt going back up into the motor. Then place the new filter in. Replace the inserts. I find it easiest to use the round ends first. Make sure you're in each slot and none of them are doubled up. Keep the inserts clear of everything and up. Work it over one end of the filter. It should slide right in. And you want to check and make sure there's a bar inside the filter. It needs to be under the gasket. With a blunt object, don't use anything sharp. You want to push it under there. Hold that in place. Do the same to the other side. Both ends are usually good. I've never had troubles with those, just the two sides. You just check, you should be able to feel lip. And work it back under the motor deck. And you should be good. Clamp everything back on. It's usually best to clamp with it under pressure, because these will be hard to clamp. I'm not going to clamp it because I don't have it. You just block it off so there's suction down, and these will go on easier. And put your wire clamp back on. I got this one on backwards. And that should be it.